In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to capture part of screen in OBS Studio. Whether you're highlighting a single app window, a chat box, or a specific corner of your desktop, I'll show you two clean ways to do it: a quick on-canvas crop and a precise filter-based crop. First, open OBS Studio. If you're new to OBS, make sure you've got a scene ready. This is where your sources live. Now add a display capture source to your scene. In the Sources panel, click the plus icon and choose Display Capture. If you have more than one monitor, select the correct display in the dialog and confirm. Display Capture grabs everything on that screen, which is perfect when you want flexibility and don't want to be limited to a single window. With your display added, it's time to crop visually. Hold down the Alt key on Windows or the Option key on Mac. While holding that key, hover over the edges of the red bounding box in the preview, click and drag the sides, top or bottom, to crop out what you don't want. As soon as you're cropping, the outline turns green. That's your confirmation that OBS is applying a crop rather than simply resizing. Release the mouse and then the key when you're happy with the selection. If the cropped area isn't filling your canvas, right-click the source, go to Transform and choose Fit to Screen, or press Ctrl+F. This snaps your cropped region to the canvas size, making it easier for viewers to see exactly what you intend without black bars or awkward framing. For more precise control, use a filter-based approach. Right-click your source in the Sources box and select Filters. In the Filters window under Effect Filters, click the plus button and choose Crop Pad. This filter lets you dial in exact pixel values for the left, top, right, and bottom. As you adjust these fields, watch the preview to isolate the exact portion of the screen you want. Crop trims away pixels from each side, while Pad can add space if needed to meet a particular layout. This method is great when you need repeatable, exact framing or when you're matching templates across multiple scenes. That's it. Use the on-canvas Alter Option Crop for fast adjustments and the Crop Pad filter for pixel-perfect precision. Combine either method with Fit to Screen to keep everything framed neatly. With these tools, capturing just the part of your screen you want becomes quick, clean, and consistent.